listenaminute.com. Eggs. Eggs are great. Where would we be without them? They are so useful. I can't imagine life, or cooking, without them. There are many ways of cooking eggs for breakfast: fried eggs, scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, etc. There are even many ways of cooking these. You can have a runny or hard fried egg, or even have it sunny side up. You can have soft or hard boiled eggs, and fluffy scrambled eggs. There are also many things to put on top of eggs: mayonnaise, ketchup, salt, soy sauce. Each country has something different. I like cooking with eggs. I particularly like breaking them. I can now do it with one hand without breaking the yolk. Sometimes it gets messy and the egg white starts dripping down your arm.